I'm Sarah Bendrick, licensed landscape contractor, and today I want to show you how you can add privacy to your existing fence using Outdeco's wall extension post and decorative panel system. These panels are made out of galvanized powder-coated steel, making them extremely durable in the landscape. Outdeco's 18-inch welded bottom posts are also made out of powder-coated galvanized steel and are pre-drilled for straight runs. This is a super easy and effective way to add privacy that is beautiful for both neighbors. It's designed for block walls, but it also works really effective on any flat-top fence system. To pre-assemble your panels and Outdeco posts, use a 2.5-inch spacer to rest the panel on. This will help you line up the 1-inch slat in the panel to the pre-drilled holes in the post. The 1-inch slots will allow you to adjust the panel height. Then use the included post-mounting screws to screw the panels to both posts. Take your panel and post unit and place it on your desired surface. The kit comes with wood screws and washers and concrete anchors. Center your post on the surface and then use an impact driver and the hardware to lock down the first post and then the second. If you're anchoring into concrete or block, use the hammer drill to pre-drill and then use the concrete anchors. Cover the remaining post holes with plugs, or continue to build your fence by attaching the panels to the post in place. And Outdeco has a variety of designs to choose from to fit your aesthetic. So now you can achieve privacy without compromise using Outdeco's wall extension, post, and decorative panel system. It's an easy and effective way to achieve privacy in style.